to the National Weather Service. This is the Emergency Alert System. And actually, we're going to take a quick break, and I don't believe that we're quite ready for that technically, so we'll come back and do that in a moment here. It's 6:54 at KCBS. And activation of the Emergency Alert System. National Weather Service. This is the Emergency Alert System.
Ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. This concludes this activation of the Emergency Alert System.
This is the Emergency Alert System.
All right. Okay, Sky, like, why are you doing that? Check the Diego dead. What the hell? Why is this shit glitching?
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for central Alameda County until 9:45 this evening. As of 6:30 this evening, stream gauge reports indicate moderate flooding on the Arroyo de la Laguna at Verona Road. The water level there is about 17.4 feet, and water levels are continuing to rise, moderate flooding beginning at 17 feet. Some locations that will experience flooding include areas near and along Pleasanton-Sunol Road between Pleasanton and Sunol. This concludes the activation of the Emergency Alert System.
Oh my god, no, this can't be glitching. Oh my god.
Okay, so apparently KCBS did the alert for Alameda County, which was about, I don't know how long ago, 28 minutes ago. The National Weather Service in the Bay Area issued a new flash flood warning 4 minutes ago for San Mateo County. Oh, there you go, you can see me. And I'm also here with these guys.
Yo! Hi!
What's up?
Hello!
We've got...
Nice cap.
Thanks. So we've got EAS SoCal, VA Stormont 74, NorCal Dude 599, Clay Ranger 143, and Rendering Radar 24.
I'm always reciting last. It never fails.
Okay, the previous flash flood warning, which was in effect for Alameda County, apparently they toned it as a flood warning again. And I will put the decoding and everything in the description below. Credits to heatcats for decoding this, by the way.
California. The National Weather Service evacuation of area east of the San Joaquin River between Woodard Road on the north, Indian Road to the east, and Washington Road to the south.